Hi, this homework will look at the LED blinking. So this is the Verilog code for that. We have both up counter and down counter, and it is 32-bit wide. So we have four inputs: clock, reset, direction, and count. Direction will determine whether the counter is counting up or down. So if you see here, we have an asynchronous reset here. And if the direction is 1, it will be up counter, and if the direction is 0, it will be a down counter. And we have assigned the 4 MSBs to 4 LEDs of the FPGA board, and we also have a test bench for that. Now let us compile it. Now the compiling is done. Let us look at the report. So if we look at the report, total of 17 ALMs are used. Now let us find the maximum frequency of the circuit. If you see here, the maximum frequency of the circuit is 390.78 MHz. We will also have a look at the critical path. And the critical path is from direction to pre-count, 28th bit of the pre-count. Now we look at the board implement. Oh, now we look at the simulation. Okay, the compiling is done with 0 errors. Now let us simulate it. Okay, let us add wave. Okay, the waveform windows here. Let us simulate it for a larger time period. Okay, the simulation is done. If you look here, the count remains 0 throughout the simulation. This is because the 4 MSBs of the pre-count is assigned to the count, and which means when the 28 LSBs are high, only after that the count will become 1. So this count will look in the board implementation where the count changes the 4 MSBs of the pre-count variable. Okay, the simulation is done. Now we look at the FPGA board implementation. Before that, we'll have a look at the pin planner. Let us stop the simulation. We'll close the waveform window and we'll stop the simulation. Close the desktop. We'll have a look at the pin planner. So if you look here, the pins are assigned to the corresponding inputs and outputs. So now we'll look at the board. Thank you. We have programmed the board with the JIC file. So even if we turn the power off and turn it on back again, it should work. So first let's try that. Okay, now the push button 0, this one, is assigned to reset, and the switch 9, this switch is assigned to the direction. And first since this is assigned to direction and this is currently 0, now it should work as a down counter. So let's reset and check if this is actually working. So now the 4 LEDs are on and it should turn off one by one. Okay, from this we can see this is the down counter is actually working. Now let's make this switches to 1 and we'll reset it again and we'll check if the up counter is working. So this should count upwards now. Okay, the up counter is also working. So that's all for part 1. We'll continue the part 2.